One, the mesh size is directly set on the touch screen, which is convenient and simple. The vibration device is added to the cross-wire feeding system to prevent wire winding. 3, the line wire automatic wire feeding and the cross-wire pre-straightening and cutting. For cross-wire adjustment on screen, line wire adjustment need move the welding electrode. 5, the mesh roll length can be set by the control panel. 6, we can easily adjust the welding current when we need to weld different wire diameters. 7, we can set the output and stop the machine automatically after the mesh production finished. 8, the finished product roll mesh is smooth and the error of opposite angle line is small. The machine has added an intelligent roll mesh system on the basis of the original one, which can adjust the roll mesh speed according to the welding speed of the machine, so as to make the mesh roll even and beautiful. After the mesh roll is bundled, the system will automatically unload the mesh roll, saving labor.